Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 welding torch. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected the WP17V TIG Torch. Specifications: brand name, TIG Master. Model number, WP9FV 4 meters. Welding type, TIG Torch. Welding capacity, 2120A. Length, 4 meters, 13 feet. Power connector, DKJ 10 to 25. Gas connector, M16 by 1.5. Item number 2 is the Hertzogfogen WP17V TIG Torch. Specifications: brand name, Hitbox. Type, Welding Torch. Model number, WP17V. Welding type, CO2 torch. Welding capacity, 35% duty cycle. On the top of our list at number 1 we have WP9FV 120A TIG Welding Torch. Specifications: brand name, TIG Master. Certification, C. Origin, CN Origin. Type, Welding Torch. Model number, WP9FV. Welding type, TIG-T. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.